In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Vagaro account. Whether you're a business owner or a customer looking for a seamless way to manage appointments, creating a Vagaro account can be incredibly useful. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to vagaro.com. It's a straightforward starting point and sets the stage for you to officially join this well-known booking platform. Once the website has fully loaded, make your way to the top right corner of the home page where you'll see the sign up button. Click on that to get started with the account creation process. Now, when it comes to signing up, Vagaro offers you several options. You can choose to sign up using your email, Google, Facebook, or Apple account. For this tutorial, I'll be demonstrating using the Google sign up method. If you're more comfortable with one of the other options, feel free to choose the one you prefer. Clicking on the sign up with Google button will redirect you to a Google login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. Once logged into your Google account, you're prompted to enter some personal details. This includes your name and contact information. Be sure to enter this information accurately, as it allows Vagaro to tailor your experience and keep in touch about important updates or confirmations. Completing this step is all about ensuring that you're setting up your profile in a way that reflects your identity and gives you full access to the platform's features. After providing your name and contact information, Vagaro will ask you to verify your email or phone number for security purposes. They may send you a verification code or an email confirmation link. Head over to your email inbox or your phone's messaging app and look for Vagaro's verification message. Enter the code in the space provided on the Vagaro sign-up page or click the link in the email to complete your verification. This step is crucial as it adds an extra layer of security to your newly created account. And just like that, you're done. Congratulations. You now have your Vagaro account set up and ready to go. With this account, you can explore all the features Vagaro has to offer, whether it's scheduling appointments, managing your business profile, or finding new services. Remember to explore the platform to familiarize yourself with its many offerings. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this how-to guide was helpful in making your Vagaro sign-up process quick and easy. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Enjoy your new account.